Hey guys, Roadshow Chris, Headliners Auto Interior and Glass and Sunroof Repair. I got this 2013 3 Series and we're doing the headliner, and there's also, if you can see, there's some staining up there from a possible clogged drain system. However, the older BMWs were easy to take apart, and then I guess around 2007 through around 11 they got more difficult, and now they're back to being easy. So anyway, this is already taken apart, but hopefully this video will help you. In the closed position is how I did it. You've got the 6 torque bolts, and I'll show you one. These are them, and what they do is they hold the glass in 1, 2, and 3 spots. Okay, enclosed, you take those 6 out, and of course you got to take your accordion panels out, but they just pop off. They pop off the bottom, they pop off the top, and then you can get to those 6 torque bolts, number 25. Okay, now you remove the glass, you just lift it out of there, put it somewhere safe like everybody says in these videos. Duh. Okay, now this is your drip tray. This is where the water goes past the glass. It goes here, and then it goes down into the drip channel. Okay, this is where this is attached to what I call the actuator arm or the guide. It's attached in this hole. Well, I got in there with a little screwdriver and I pried it out there. And then carefully lifted it up, pulled the panel out, boom, out it came. So now, well, I also undid the spring guides, they call them, which are these that were attached to the board and went inside the aluminum tracks. So again, closed position, remove 6 torque bolts, lift glass out, pop away drip tray from guide, lift up tray, out comes panel. And the panel right now is here, and you can see it's all stained up. I'm going to deal with the water leaks, and I'm going to reupholster this, and we're going to put it back together. I hope that video helped you. Have a good day.